Hello cadets, please note down the process of applying for IMU exams. So go to your web browser and type www.imu.edu.in. Once you have done with this, go to examination section. Under examination, click for online registration for SEM exams. After that, you will find click here for online registration for semester examinations. Click over here and go for student tab. In this yellow color students tab, click over here, and now you are required to provide your register name and password. So here, let's say I am taking a random case, the first roll number of your batch, and here is the register number. Now as a password you have to provide the date of birth. So I am going to type the date of birth of this particular cadet as in prescribed format I have already sent to you. Now after providing the date of birth, now I am going for login. Now here you can see exam application is available. So now you need to click on this tab, exam application. After clicking on the tab, you can see the register number is over here, name of the candidate, program, email ID, these all details are there, photo is also there. And if you are coming down, now in this new scenario, here you will find a WhatsApp number column is also there. So the mobile number which is active for your WhatsApp, please enter the WhatsApp number over here. And you come down and you can see if a candidate is having area paper, then the list will show here. You need to check them. For regular papers, you can see a link is over here, and in the current papers these all are auto checked and you cannot uncheck any of the paper. Now after doing this, these all auto calculation is been done, and now you can see the total amount is 2800 rupees. Now you need to apply. Now this is going to ask you, this is a kind of pop-up which is asking for the authentication that all the details available on the page are correct. After doing this, click OK and you will be guided to payment page. On this payment interface, you will find only two options are available. Either you can pay through credit card or you can pay through internet banking. So here you need to put your credit card number, or you can also do the same by using your online banking. If you are having Bank of Baroda, then the bank charges will be less. If you are having some other account, other online banking, internet banking, then you need to click here and select the bank from the given list. So let's say I am going for HDFC Bank. So here HDFC Bank. Now you need to type the CAPTCHA. And now pay now. So you will be guided to your HDFC Bank. Here you need to provide your customer ID, password. You need to log in and pay the due amount. You can also pay by using your credit card. So you can also pay by using your credit card. Please read the instructions carefully, as it is mandatory that you shall pay your payment on or before 13th of July. As per EMA, we recommend that all students shall pay their payment on or before 6th of July 2020. Thank you very much.